Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have the Birchbox for the month of January. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so before I get into the box, quickly I just want to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. Welcome everyone, my name is Aisha. I love makeup and I absolutely love makeup subscription boxes. So that's the majority of what I do on my channel. So if you guys love seeing unboxing videos, then you're going to definitely love my channel along with me doing makeup hauls. I do mystery boxes, a lot of just makeup related things. If this is something you're interested in, I would say consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. That's it. If you like the video, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let's dig into the box. Alrighty guys, so this is what the outside of the box looks like. Normally they always have like the box comes like this and then you open it and then there's a box on the inside, but this time it's a little different. The box was clear, so I couldn't really, as you guys can see, the box is clear this time, which is, you know, different. But I kind of like that it's clear because you can reuse this. So we got a little clear little paper here that I'll take out. I guess you can't 100% see what's inside. But look how cool is this. Look at this, guys. Oh, I love this. How crafty is this? I absolutely love how they did the box this time. This was very crafty. It's an actual birch box, a clear acrylic birch box. This was crafty. I love this. This is my favorite box that anybody's done. Very unique, very different. You could definitely reuse this box. I mean, you could reuse the other boxes too, but this is kind of cool because you can see through it. And it says Birchbox on it. Alrighty, let's see what's inside. So Birchbox retails for $15. They're one of the more inexpensive makeup beauty boxes, which I love. Let's see what I got this time around. They did give a card with the prices of everything on it. That's what the card looks like. Alrighty, so let's see what I got in my box. The first thing I got is by Didi. It's a shampoo. I've never heard of this brand before. Let me see if I could smell it. Smells like shampoo. It looks like half of it's already done already. It's like not at the, you see how it's like half of it's already done? So I got the shampoo and I got the conditioner. So they gave me the shampoo in a thing, and then the conditioner they gave in a packet. That you couldn't give me both of them like this. That was very weird. But nevertheless, let's see how much the DD. Oh, the full size of this is $33. Of the conditioner, the full size of the shampoo is $29. So their shampoo and conditioner is not very cheap. I've never heard of the brand though. So, oh, the conditioner says was an extra. That's why it's just a packet. Very interesting. Alrighty, the next thing I got is by Dr. Botanicals. It is a superfood regenerating sleeping mask. That's what it looks like. I will be giving this away because, like I said, I always have too much skincare. So majority of my skincare stuff I do give away. The next thing I got is a nourishing lip oil by Inner Beauty. Oh, this is cute. I'm here for it. You could always use a clear lip gloss. So I definitely will use that. So that seems like so far the only first thing that I'm very interested in. The full size of that lip oil is $22. So I got something in here. I don't know what it is, but I'm going to open it up. It says Birchbox. It's a little satch. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's one of these things that you do for your face to massage your face. This is jade. So does it say Birchbox on this? No, it does not. But the actual pouch, I don't know if you guys are going to see it because my light is really bright, but it says Birchbox on here. I don't think it's picking up. I don't see it in it. Oh, there we go. See, it says Birchbox on here. The next thing we got is I think this is one of the new serums from Bare Minerals. It is a night concentrate retinol serum. Wow. So this is a new product from Bare Minerals. I'm gonna try this because I'm very interested in retinol. That's like the only skincare stuff whenever I get in any of my boxes that I actually keep, because I actually I feel like retinol actually like works. Like the next day I wake up, my skin is so soft. So, and I like Bare Minerals skin products. I didn't know this, but Bare Minerals they had the same, I forgot what the analogy they use, but like Shiseido and Bare Minerals kind of like the same company, because the people who make the skincare for Shiseido, they make it for Bare Minerals. And you know Shiseido everybody loves. So their stuff is really good products. So with that being said, I'm definitely gonna try this out because retinol is supposed to be very good for your skin. Let me see something. Does this little thing come out? It does come out, so it is a clear cube. Can you guys see me? Hi. Yeah, very excited for this box. I'm definitely gonna put this box to use. Very excited for this. I think I'm more excited about the box than I am for anything that I even got, which is kind of sad. This is only $15, like I said, so it's not like anything you cry over if you didn't love the box that much. It was $15. But then again, you could put the $15 towards something that you actually really like. So, let me see. I love the box. I love the little nourishing lip oil. I'm definitely going to use the anti-aging retinol serum. The jade roller was cute, but I have so many, I guess, from all my other subscription boxes, but I guess I can use it. And then, I mean, we could always use shampoo and conditioner, so I guess I'll use that. So, I mean, I guess I will use everything. The only thing I'm probably not going to use is the sleeping mask. So I guess I'll give this a 3 out of 10. You know, it was okay, but I didn't love anything, and there wasn't really. There was one makeup item, if you even call this a makeup item. So yeah, that's it. What did you guys think? I love this. ASMR. Yeah, so what do you guys think about this box? Did any of you guys subscribe to Birchbox? I haven't really been loving my Birchboxes or my Allure boxes lately, so I don't know. They're gonna have to step it up. I'm subscribed annually, but I don't know if I'm gonna subscribe for another year. If they don't step it up. Especially Allure, because they put their prices up. Allure used to be $15 and they put them up to $21. So if they wanna stay in business, they're gonna have to step it up like they said they were going to. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you loved my video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, become a part of my YouTube family. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.